How's it going, guys? Alright, well, today we are going to be cleaning the exhaust pipe on my 2023 Sport Chief. I've never done this before. Got decent bluing from when the tuning was getting done on this bike, when I got the exhaust system. At some point, riding in the rain, I've gotten a lot of black crud that's kind of just sprayed onto the exhaust. Same with on here. I didn't tell. I've already started actually. I am using Mother's Polish and a red Scotch Brite pad right there. I've already gotten started a little bit on polishing, trying to get it off just to see if it is actually going to work. There's a bunch of black crud right there. After probably about 2-3 minutes of going back and forth of the radius on the exhaust pipe, I mean, it is looking brand new already. So, just so you can see that this does work. This is a Fab28 exhaust system, stainless steel. And yeah, we are going to get to work on making this exhaust look brand new again. You don't want to go back and forth. You can see the grooves in the metal. It goes around the radius of it. If you go back and forth, you're just going to put scratches inside the exhaust. So you want to make sure you go with the radius of it. Just back and forth. I'm not trying to move crazy diagonal across it to get across the entire exhaust. I am lifting, moving to the next spot. I'm using decent pressure. I've seen videos where they say you don't have to use that much pressure, but I've ridden with this black stuff on the exhaust for, I mean, probably over 1,000 miles, a lot of heat cycles, so it's pretty burnt in. The smaller spots come out pretty easily, just with a little bit of elbow grease. But these bigger black spots, they're burnt in, they're pretty good. And then you want to check your progress. I would use a clean microfiber towel, at least that's what I'm using. Wipe off all that polish. So you can see all the black stuff I haven't gotten to yet. Then you see this side. It's looking pretty good. Just gonna take some elbow grease. Alrighty, well, the phone died earlier, but I got the exhaust done. Well, muffler done. You can see it looks brand new. Put her down. Still have to pull off the right controls and take out the O2 sensors and pull out the pipes, but as of right now, I am going to be working on the collector. Now, it's not like I'm going to be able to get crazy deep into that groove. See how it goes. But a little before, you can see all the crud. Look at that. Gotta get inside there just a little bit more, but looks brand new. Well, I will check back in with you guys once I get the actual exhaust done. Can see a little bit of before and after right there. And yeah, show you guys the finished product later. And there we have it, the finished project. Probably could have gotten a little bit better on that bit right there. I probably should have done the clamp, but it's okay. Start it up, make sure we don't have any exhaust leaks.